There are far too many benefits from trees grown for commercial purposes. Timber has got many uses. You can use it for building and construction, furniture, pulp and paper. The possibilities are infinite. Nurturing a good seedling takes planning, science, and dedication. I'm in Naivasha today to find out what it takes to get the right start into commercial forestry. Welcome to Plantech. Really feels good to be in Naivasha. So tell me the story of Plantech.
Plantech has been in existence since 2016. Plantech is a high-tech propagation company where we incorporate technologies from all over the world, and then we're able to customize to meet our specific needs.
Who does Plantech cater for?
We cater for all segments of the market, from the small-scale holders to large-scale farmers and anybody in between there. Through research, we came to establish that there was a big gap in the way seedlings were being done in this country. The quality of the seedlings the farmers were getting were not able to give them money. There was a lot of wastage of seeds. Farmers would sow, for example, 100 seeds, and only 10% would germinate. That's a very great loss to the farmer, knowing that seeds are very expensive. For you to have money or to get money from farming, you need to start it right. It all begins with a seedling. Plantech came in to fill that gap by ensuring that we're able to give our farmers the best seedlings which are free from diseases and the pest. About maturity, if, for example, you are doing forestry for timber, the seedlings that we are raised in Plantech are able to be harvested earlier. You realize that our seedlings, our trees, will be able to get to early maturity than what other farmers will get when they raise them elsewhere. Then again, also you're going to get high quality trees, which will be able to yield high quality timber. The foundation of any crop is a seedling, which we're able to give it right here in Plantech.
I'm interested in tree growing as a way of life, and it's the more reason as to why I'm here in Naivasha, and I believe this is it.
Tree seedling is one of the things we are doing here. We are doing massively. We are doing top-notch seedlings. I can take you through the journey.
Please.
Welcome.